Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I have something very exciting to share with you all of you. The sixth edition of Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 6.0 is live now. So, what's in it for you is this is the golden opportunity for the students like us. Um, to get a real world project experience, technical training, and live mentorship, and absolutely it is free and completely online. The key highlights of this internship is like it is a 8-week virtual internship. You have to choose trending tech like AI, Angular. Here you can see that AI, Angular, full stack, Python, Java, and data visualization. The best part is you will learn from Infosys experts, build your skills and resume with hands-on projects, continue college while doing the internship. The eligibility criteria of this internship is to apply you should have to complete your 12th grade and be either currently studying or just graduated, and no working professionals are allowed. It is completely 8-week virtual internship, and this is provide to get the experience like industry to the students, and therefore working professional and alumni of previous batches are not able to apply this internship is purely for the students. How to apply for this internships? Choose your tech area. Here in you can find one Google form. Click here to apply is there, right? You have to click that, and here you can see that you will get a Google form. My internet is slow, that's why it's loading. So you have to nominate yourself before June 2. I'm sorry guys, today is June 2, so today is the last day to apply this internship. So you choose any path like AI, like AI, Angular, anything you wish. After choosing, it's not loading, it's fine. You can click there and go to there, and you can choose any path. So if I choose AI, I need to complete all these courses. Okay, you need to complete all that courses before the deadline. That deadline is June 30. Okay, June 30 is the deadline. So this is very hectic, bro. So here you can see that this is the for Java certification. Java foundation certificate is mandatory. You have to write the certification exam to get the internship. So to write this certification, here you can see that you need to complete this prerequisite course. Here it is, course is 113 and 22 minutes. You have to complete this course, and then only you can write this exam. And the other important thing is that don't waste your time. If you are not prepared, don't write this exam, because it's 60-minute exam and you have to pass. So here you can see that passing marks is minimum 65%. So if you write the exam one time, then if you fail the exam, you need to wait for 15 days to write the exam again, but you don't have that much time. Oh, at least the max you can write 2 times, because June 30 is the last date. I think they may increase the deadline also, but I don't know that. But you need to complete this exam at any cost. So be careful while writing this exam. Other course you can do anytime, like before that you have to do every course, but no problem, but certification is mandatory for this. You can do this course, other course later after the certification exam also. Some of the course I have completed because I choose Angular in the previous internship 5.2. I did Angular full stack internship. So you can choose any or any course and apply for it. And why should you join? This is the internship can give you an edge in your career, especially if you are planning to apply for internship at top tech companies like Google, Microsoft, Infosys itself. So if you are serious about your tech career, don't miss chance. Apply now, kickstart your journey and become a professional developer or AI expert. Let me know in the comment section if you have applied or which tech path you have chosen. I have chosen Angular full stack and I will be sharing my journey too. If you want, comment me below what I have done in my 5.0 internship and Angular full stack. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates, tutorials and project tips. Let's go together. See you in the next video. Bye bye.